Welcome to the best picks. The best slime kits is probably one of the most sought-after gifts for girls aged 10 to 12, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, sensory exploration, and endless fun. In this video, we dive into the top slime kits, comparing features, ease of use, and the overall slime making experience to help you choose the perfect kit that sparks joy and creativity in young crafters. Number 5. Unicorn Slime Kit. It's time to get creative and make your own magical unicorn slime. This kit has everything you need to create shimmering, sparkly slime. With 25 pretty add-ins, you can customize it to be exactly how you want it. Let your imagination run wild. Making slime has never been easier. The simple instructions guide you through each step of the process. It's the perfect way to relax and have fun, away from screens. Get ready for hours of squishing and stretching. Making slime helps improve your motor skills, focus, and coordination. It's a fun and educational activity. It's the ultimate slime kit for parties and get-togethers. Share the fun with your friends. This slime isn't just sparkly, it also glows in the dark. Get ready for some extra magical fun. What we like. If you are looking for a magical slime experience, this kit is perfect. It includes everything needed to make unicorn slime that glows in the dark, plus tons of extra add-ins for endless customization. It's ideal for creative kids who love unicorns and unique slime creations. What people say. The original Stationery Unicorn Slime Kit is a dream come true for kids who love crafting and creativity, designed specifically to enchant girls aged 10 to 12 with the magic of making their own unicorn-themed slime. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed to create a variety of slimes, from glittery to glow-in-the-dark, ensuring hours of fun and imaginative play. Fantastic clear slime mixture. It has a jelly-like consistency with just the right amount of stretchiness. The star packets are beautiful and the color additives are stunning, especially the blue. It looks dark in the bottle but turns into a deep teal blue when mixed with the slime. This kit came with lots of variety for slime making. I was impressed by all the choices for slime decorations. The cups for measuring were a bit hard to use because they only allowed for small amounts to be made at a time, but we just doubled the ingredients. Definitely need supervision with little ones, but this was a good purchase with lots of fun inside. And the case it comes in is great quality and beautiful, so we are repurposing it for other toys. Number 4. Sweet Sprinkle Slime Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit lets you make amazing slime treats, perfect for imaginative play. Make your own delicious-looking slime sundaes, donuts, and cupcakes. It's a fun and easy process for everyone. Everything you need is included. Simply follow the instructions and let your creativity flow. This isn't just fun, it helps improve hand-eye coordination and creativity. It's a great way to spend quality time. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. Get ready for hours of screen-free fun. This kit will keep kids engaged and entertained for a long time. It's a great addition to any party. Kids will love making and sharing their slime creations. What we like. If your child loves ice cream and sweet treats, this kit is a must-have. It's super easy to use, allowing your child to create adorable ice cream, donut, and cupcake slimes. This is great for kids who enjoy fun, edible-themed crafts and want quick results. What people say. The Ice Cream Slime Kit is an absolute hit. It's packed with everything needed to create butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slimes, all with an adorable ice cream theme. The instructions are easy to follow, and the variety of colors, textures, and scents make it an incredibly fun and creative activity. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. Each type of slime has its own texture and feel, making it fun for kids to experiment and see the different results. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. The kit comes with everything needed to make the slimes, including colorants, foam beads, and scent options. This kit is a standout. We've bought Nickelodeon's slime kit where the slime dissolved into an unsalvageable sticky mess after a month. Into the trash it went. The kids made the slime summer of 2023. We are past summer of 2024 by now. Recently I pulled the slimes out, most have been sitting untouched for almost a year to see what needed to be tossed and was shocked that none needed to be trashed. Some of the components of the slime had separated, such as the additives and air clay from the slime, but it was easily kneaded back together. I am really impressed. I have already given these as gifts. Number 3. Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Looking for a fun and creative activity? This DIY ice cream slime kit provides hours of screen-free fun for kids. They can make butter, cloud, and foam slimes, engaging their senses and imagination. This complete kit includes 31 fun pieces, everything needed for crafting. It's a perfect birthday gift for girls aged 7 and up, offering an immersive world of creativity. With sprinkles included, kids can craft, squish, and shape their slime creations into cute ice cream cones. It's a great way to tap into their creativity and have endless fun. Make crafting a delightful experience. This kit lets you create amazing slimes in your favorite ice cream colors and scents. It's a festive treat that combines creativity and fun. Creating fun ice cream slimes is simple with our easy-to-follow instructions. Designed for girls aged 7 to 12, it makes slime making enjoyable and easy. What we like. If you want a kit with a wide variety of slime types and colors, this is the one. It lets your child create butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slimes, all with an ice cream theme. It's perfect for kids who love experimenting with different slime textures and colors. What people say. The ice cream slime kit is an absolute hit. It's packed with everything needed to create butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slimes, all with an adorable ice cream theme. The instructions are easy to follow, and the variety of colors, textures, and scents make it an incredibly fun and creative activity. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. Each type of slime has its own texture and feel, making it fun for kids to experiment and see the different results. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. The kit comes with everything needed to make the slimes, including colorants, foam beads, and scent options. This kit is a standout. We've bought Nickelodeon's slime kit where the slime dissolved into an unsalvageable sticky mess after a month. Into the trash it went. The kids made the slime summer of 2023. We are past summer of 2024 by now. Recently I pulled the slimes out, most have been sitting untouched for almost a year to see what needed to be tossed and was shocked that none needed to be trashed. Some of the components of the slime had separated, such as the additives and air clay from the slime, but it was easily kneaded back together. I am really impressed. Number 2. Mini Unicorn Slime Kit. Get ready for sparkly fun. This kit lets you create your own magical unicorn slime. You'll find everything you need: unicorn foam, jelly cubes, glitter, glue, and activator. It's a complete slime making experience. It's super simple. Follow the easy instructions or check out our fun online videos for extra help. Create fluffy foam slime, jiggly jelly slime, or mix and match for your own unique slime creations. The possibilities are endless. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for girls aged 8 to 12 who love unicorns and crafting. It's a fun and engaging activity that sparks creativity and imagination. It's a great way to spend quality time crafting. What we like. If you're looking for a smaller, more affordable unicorn slime kit, this is a great option. It includes various slime types like foam, jelly cubes, and clay, all with a cute unicorn theme. It's ideal for kids who want a fun and easy crafting project without a huge mess. What people say. Has so many different add-ons: clay, foam, glitter, color dye, and awesome carrying case. The instructions are clear-cut and allow you to make different kind of slime. It comes with everything you need to make slime on the first go. Also, it comes with other instruments, materials for added textures, scent, colors, and instructions. Number 1. DIY Slime Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has everything you need to make amazing slime. Glitter, glue, glow-in-the-dark powder, and so much more are all included in one complete kit. You'll have everything you need to start creating right away. It's designed with safety in mind. We've even included detergent to soothe any skin irritation. Make unicorn slime, galaxy slime, or anything you can imagine. The possibilities are endless. It's more than just fun, it's educational. You'll learn about science while creating awesome slime. Looking for a fun and unique gift? This slime kit is perfect for kids, teens, and even adults who love a creative outlet. What we like? If you want the ultimate slime making experience with a huge variety of supplies and themes, this is it. It has everything you need to create unicorn, cloud, butter, galaxy, and mermaid slimes, even glow-in-the-dark ones. This is perfect for kids who love experimenting and creating unique slime combinations. What people say. The directions for the different types of slime were in a booklet containing photos for each step. The add-ins created beautiful colors, fun and unique slime. It was so easy to follow. Make and comes with a book with a variety of different slime recipes as well as materials to make plenty of slime. There were options for glow-in-the-dark slime, 2 different colors of color-changing slime, 2 pearl colors for shiny slime, 6 different colors of glitter, dye to color them, instant snow for fluffy cloud slime, and clay to make fluffy slime. The kit also included 4 stirring spoons, 2 measuring cups, popsicle sticks for mixing, and storage containers for up to 9 batches of slime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.